Hi guys, and welcome back. For today's video I have a jewelry haul, a good old jewelry haul. I promised this video for such a long time because a lot of people requested this on my Instagram especially, and here on YouTube, because I don't know, jewelry is a big part of my looks, of my outfits, of my videos. I guess I love me some good jewelry. And I shared in the past a couple of videos where I showed you some of my vintage pics, but today I will show you what I bought from Yesstyle and from Aliexpress. Good old Aliexpress. So these are super affordable, and yeah, keep on watching if you want to know what I picked, and let me know in the comments what is your favorite, or if you own already something, and enjoy. So the first pair I wanted to show you are these open hoop earrings with lots of pearls on the length of the hoop. These are medium hoops, they're quite light, and I love the rhinestone star design that is inserted into the clip-on mechanism, because these are clip-ons. They shine super nice, and I love how they attach the pearls. I think they look super dainty and nice. And these are kind of like wedding pearl design open hoop earrings. I got these through Yesstyle, but I mean, if you like something feminine, if you like hoops, you will definitely love these. The next earrings, these are more like statement earrings from, I think the brand was called Godki, an Aliexpress jewelry brand. They're a bit more like legit jewelry brand. They were quite expensive, especially for Aliexpress, but they're super heavy, really good quality. I was really pleased with the quality of these ones. And I love the design of the hoop. It's definitely something unique, something a bit more interesting, and all the rhinestones shine so beautifully. It's definitely like a statement earring that I love to wear, and I love to wear with some other smaller hoops or ear cuffs. Next we have these kind of like crystal branches earrings from the same Ashmi brand through Yesstyle. These are super light because they're basically just rhinestones hanging on some metal thread. And then again, clip-on. The clip-on mechanism is quite odd looking, but I find this to be quite typical for a lot of Asian, Chinese, earrings. But they stay in place, and they look super intense, like really statement kind of earrings on the ears. So I love that effect. They shine beautifully. This next pair, another favorite of mine, these are stud dangly drop fringe earrings. I got these again through Yesstyle, and I got these mostly because of the color scheme. I love me some pink, purples, turquoisey combination. They look super nice, and again, all these small rhinestones, they just shine so beautifully in sunlight and in artificial light. They're quite long as well. I wish they were a bit, bigger, a bit more chunkier, because I love me a bigger, earring. But still, they're so pretty and so shiny that, it's fine. I still love them a lot. Next, we have this pair. It's not a pair, it's basically a bunch of ear cuffs that I bought through Aliexpress. They have different colors, more like bohemian styles, and then just some rhinestoney pearl ear cuffs, and some really small kind of earrings. I absolutely adore this kind of small earrings, small ear cuffs, because I can layer them, on the length of my ear, and they look super cool and give me that cool vibe, which I adore. And I can combine these with some other earrings. These also arrived super fast from Aliexpress, I believe in like 2 weeks, so really pleased with the shipping. Now, every time you ship from Aliexpress, I would definitely suggest, if you can, to spend $1 to $5 more if you especially order something, like a big order, on Aliexpress standard shipping or China Post airmail, because the order will arrive super fast. In terms of, Aliexpress shipping. I've had some orders that arrived in like 2 months, which is insane. So if you can, I totally suggest that if you buy something, just pay $1-2 more and get that Aliexpress standard shipping or China Post airmail. You will have your order faster and it will be intact, not damaged, and at your door. In the UK, usually like the standard shipping from Aliexpress is like 2 weeks, so I definitely love that service. The other more economic post services, they can take up to a month or 2 months, so you should be aware of that. I love these aircrafts because they just shine again, super nice, and they're very well made. I love the quality, have no objections, have no negative things to say. I love the quality, and these were so inexpensive. I believe $1-2 each. So they're super nice, and I love how in some earcuffs you can see the combined maybe like pearls with crystals. It looks super nice and interesting. So absolutely adore these, and I love the different sizes as well. Now next pair is, this is my favorite because it's so shiny, and I love me some statement shiny earrings. These are kind of like that, again, waterfall fringe drop earring situation. It's like a heart shape on top and then the fringe situation on the bottom. It's again a stud earring. They're super light, but they're quite big as well, so they will look like statement earrings. They shine so nice, and I love all the colors in the crystals. These are totally my kind of earrings, so absolutely adore them. They were like $4. This next pair is a bit more, something a bit more delicate. It's like a star with lots of rhinestones. They're studs. I got these through Yesstyle, and I really, I love sometimes to wear these kind of earrings. And this next pair as well, it kind of reminds me of the Dior earrings, the double-sided ones, but it has a pearl on one side and then a golden ball with lots of rhinestones that again shine so beautifully in sunlight. Love these. Next, we have that big chunky statement earrings. These are from a brand called Sexy Tokyo on Yesstyle. Highly recommend this brand. Just type in Sexy Tokyo on Yesstyle and you'll find they have lots of different styles of earrings, jewelry, and these shine so beautifully. Again, they're silver in color and they have that whitish kind of shine to them. And they're clip-ons. The clip-on mechanism is sturdy, is nice, will keep everything in place. They're super massive. I already filmed videos with lots of these earrings, so you probably already seen them featured in some of my videos, and some of my upcoming videos you will see them as well. But I love these. I love this kind of design, again, dropping open hoop design. Super fun piece in my opinion. So it's like glasses but without the glass, and just more kind of like a statement or just like a costumey glasses design. So they have lots of pearls, gold details, rhinestones, and I got these mostly because for photos and stuff like this. They're super light on the face and they look super interesting, and again kind of like statement. So if you want to have something fun, these are definitely your kind of stuff. Next we have another pair of fringe dangly earrings. These are smaller in size than the previous blue, turquoisey and purpley earrings I showed you from Yesstyle. These ones I got again from Yesstyle, and I love the gold detail and also the rhinestones, and they're super light as well. So if you don't want something super long, you can definitely opt for these because they're still shiny, they're still that fringe design but lighter. These are very similar to the Sexy Tokyo chunky silver earrings I showed you earlier. They're a bit smaller, kind of like a medium size. So if you want something a bit more smaller, these are definitely for you. And I love the color as well. I think the AliExpress seller had different colors, but I opted for this kind of browny, bronzy color because I just love how it looks. And it's not a clip-on, it's a stud earring. Not heavy, super nice looking, and again super shiny in daylight or in artificial light. Again, kind of statement but a bit smaller. so I love them. And the last pair of earrings I wanted to show you are these, which I don't even know how to describe. They're kind of like pin earrings with a rhinestoney side. They're super shiny again. They're light on the ears, which is great. That metal thingy that you need to put in your ear hole, it's a bit more thicker, so you can definitely feel that. But other than that, I mean, they're super shiny and super nice, and I think they give you that rock chic vibe, which I love sometimes to have. And that was it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know what is your favorite, and yeah, you'll find everything in the description box. Take care. Bye.